Che coule, che kofisa, kofisa langa, koko shilanga.
Hi, my name is Michelle. Today we visited a school in which I had the opportunity to meet the teacher and also talk to the students. I had someone there to help me interpret and understand the culture, because originally that was not something I understood, what the kids were dealing with in their culture and how it differs from my culture in the United States. I talked to the kids from the point of view of the mental health person, because that is what I specialize in. So they told me things that created stress, that created fear, and created anxiety in their lives. And it was all centered around school and whether or not they get the answers right, or if they get them wrong, and fear what may happen when they get them wrong.
Che coule, che kofisa, kofisa langa, koko shilanga.